Welcome to another tutorial, guys. Today I'm going to teach you one of my card color changes, and this is how it looks like. So now let's get back to the tutorial. So let me show you the exposed view of how this looks like. So first of all, you need one card face up on the bottom. Then you just select any card. Then as you take this card, you secretly slide off the bottom card and grip it with your middle and index finger. Okay, so it's hidden behind this spread. Okay. Now what you do is you just, as you push this card under the spread with your index finger, you pull back with your middle finger this card under the spread, okay, like that, and you just then show this card, and that's it. So the first thing you need to do is to reverse the bottom card so it will be face up. Okay, how to do this? You can pull down the bottom card with your pinky, and then secretly reverse this card under the deck. Okay, so it's like this. So you pull it down, then reverse it, and that's it. Okay, so one card is face down. Face up. Now you spread the deck. Oops. You spread the deck and just turn any card face up like that. Now, as you go and grab this card with your index finger like that, so you grab it with your index finger. Okay. So it's here. You grab it with your index finger. As you do this, you secretly with your index and middle finger, you push this card and grab it with your middle finger like that. So all of this done under this spread, so everything is hidden like that. So one more time. So you spread the deck, turn any card face up, grab it with your index finger, like that. And as you do this, you just push this bottom card and grab it with your middle finger, okay? And when you're done, you just separate these cards. Okay, now you're in position to do the change. Now two things happen simultaneously. As you push this card with your index finger like that, so you just push it with your index finger. Okay, so as you do this, you slide the bottom card with your middle finger back. Okay, so one more time. So like that, grab with your index finger. So let's do it just all the way as one thing. Okay, so you do this. Now you grab and you push that down card and grab it with your index middle finger. Okay, now you push it back with your index finger, this card, and you spread back this card. Okay, and as you do this, you can add a little like shake to hide it. Okay, so boom, like that. So you get in position and boom. Okay, just like that. position and slide and push it back. After that, you just take this card with your left hand, with your thumb, and this packet with our hidden card, we place it on the bottom, okay? Now we can give the spectator to examine this card, and when he does this, we just we are getting rid of this card. We can do the same way as we did it at the beginning. We just pull down with our pinky and reverse it under the deck, and we are completely clean, okay? So that's it. I hope you have fun with it, practice it, and I hope you enjoy it. And until next time.